Well, so one of the last things I need to do with my shop vac here is clean out the motor and take it apart so I can hit it with a commutator stone. And I was just made aware that these things are available at Harbor Freight for the cheap price of $2 a pack. So yeah, I was kind of irritated because I just spent like $14–15 on this one off of eBay, and lo and behold, Harbor Freight once again saves the day, and they have welding stones, otherwise known as what you can use for polishing a commutator on any sort of electric motor. So all I need to do is, I took apart the top piece here, which really not a big deal to this. There's just 2 screws that go through the handle, and this whole thing comes off. You don't have to remove that, but I just took it off to clean out underneath there, which I've already done. 4 screws. There's 4 screws that hold the whole motor unit in place. And this gets us access to the underside. So move that out of the way, obviously. And yet again, wish this thing would lock in place, but beggars can't be choosers. Take this off. You have the impeller. And everything's looking good under here so far. And I do have this unplugged, by the way. Should go without saying, don't leave it plugged in. And then have to remove both of these, of course. And there's that. So now we have access to the motor itself, still unplugged, obviously. So I shouldn't have to say this, but this can be pretty dangerous. Like I said, they will take a leap if you don't do things properly. So what we're going to do is, I've also got my PPE on, and we're just going to sharpen this up, polish it up rather, just like this. You guys can probably see how much of a dusty mess that makes, but that's what you have to do to polish these up. So, unplugged again, let's reinstall it onto the vacuum. And all of this is more or less going to come back on the same way it came off. I'm just throwing it all back together. I'm putting the black body piece back on first because that's kind of the easiest to do it. And I think that's all those screws. So we just have to boost the motor back up. We have this seal, which goes right there. And these 2 screws. I guess. Just reinstall
Is this thing worth keeping?
Yeah, I would keep it. So again, all this goes back on the same way it came off. So there we have it.